Welcome to Guerrilla Garden. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this. Thank you. Me and wife would like to share to you our amazing plants collection, ranging from air plants, hydro and hanging plants. These are our 1-year-old day plants. These are their babies. We share this with you for wellness and for stress relief. These babies are our stress relievers. Have it in your homes too.
Aside from these lovely air plants, we also have our own hydro plants, which I alone crafted the woods to make a unique vase for them to grow wonderfully. This is a do-it-yourself craftsmanship. You can do it on your own and make an innovation out of it. This is an example of how guerrilla gardening works. Imagine being stressed and you sit alone in your garden watching these fantastic creatures. Instant relief from your stress will take place eventually. This is one of the best wellness activities you can endure every day out of stressful life. It can be considered a form of meditation and relaxation. These plants capture your eyes and mind, putting tranquility immediately.
We can maximize every small area in our homes by putting a certain place to hang our plants. It also serves as an additional scenery to your front yard garden. It keeps your eyes away from the burden of the road outside your gate. It relaxes you while you step out of the door for a moment before going outside.
We hope that you enjoyed watching this video and are relaxed after all. We want to make more of this one, but first, we need you to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We would also like to hear comments and suggestions from you. Have a good and relaxing day, everyone. Thanks for watching.